Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a swizzle neck wrap push bin. Now it's one of those moves where the components you probably know already, so you need to know a swizzle, you need to know a neck wrap push bin. It's just a nice way of putting them together that doesn't feel exactly like either. So as I say, link in the description if you need them. But the whole thing's going to look like this. It's going to go 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's break it down. So it starts off going into a swizzle, but we do it from a traveling position. So we're going to go back, 2 hands, bring the lady forwards, left hand's coming to the left shoulder, right hand is going down to the lady's far hip. We don't stop the lady, we walk her straight past and into a turn. The right folds the lady's arm up behind her back. She's still traveling. We drop her into the swizzle, so she's going back. We're changing the direction, so we're now bringing her forwards. The left goes over the lady, then the right comes up and over the lady. We keep them high to get ourselves to a double cross. And we're going to keep the lady bouncing from side to side, walking into it. We get the turn, which preps the neck wrap push bin. And then we just have the big return to finish and back. So let's do the same thing from the other side, and we'll talk numbers. So we go back 1, in 2, turn 3, swizzle 4, round 5 and 6, stretching out 7, forwards 8, turning 1, flat 2, big return 3 and back 4. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, swizzle, neck wrap, push bin. It's a back. In, turn, swizzle. 1, 2, stretch, walk, turn, flat, big return, and back. And that's that. Swizzle, neck wrap, push bin. Just a nice version of the two used together. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Big thank you to everyone who does that because it all helps promote the channel. Any comments, always welcome down below. If you have any questions, again, stick them in the comments. It's very, very helpful. And we will do our best to get back to you as soon as we can. Music recommendation on the end, some nice to practices too. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.